Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a slap-ass cheeseburger. First, we got to teach you how to make the slap-ass sauce. In a container, you have 1/2 cup of chopped pickles, followed by 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, followed by 1/4 cup of ketchup, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. Then you just want to grab your little whisk and whisk everything together and leave in the fridge for at least 45 minutes before you make your burgers. All right, let's move on to the burgers. Okay, we've got a griddle preheated on medium heat. Now we're going to lay down our burger patties. And these are made out of 80/20 ground chuck, and they're 1/3 pound burger patties. And again, I flattened them like that using 2 plates. It's a great way to flatten your burgers if you don't happen to have a burger press. And basically the seasoning on them is just salt and pepper. And then we're going to give these a couple of minutes before we flip them. Now, there is a debate over how often you flip burgers. Me, flip them as many times as you want. There are people that say you should only flip them once. It's your burger. Do it how you like it. So, all right, let's give these a couple of minutes to cook up. About 3 to 5 minutes aside. So, I don't know, about 10, somewhere between 10 and 12 minutes they should be done. All right, time for a flip. And this is what you should be looking for. All right, let's give the other side a couple of minutes to cook up, and we'll be ready for the next step. All righty, burgers are pretty much done. And the last thing we got to do is add 2 slices of the greatest cheese for burgers, American cheese. And then just, hell, give them a couple of minutes to melt up. All right, let's get ready for assembly. Okie dokie, as you can see here, we got our nicely toasted brioche bun. We're going to add a little bit of that burger sauce to the top bun. And then we're going to add our patty. And then we want to add some thinly sliced red onions. And then we want to add some pickles. We all know what I say about pickles on a burger. And then you just want to put the top bun on top. And that's it. The slap-ass cheeseburger. Done.